Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating directly to Security, then Private Space. You tap to enable it and create a separate unlock method. Use a strong PIN or biometric so it stays isolated. Once done, choose Initial Apps and Media to migrate. Focus on Messages, Gallery, and Banking apps first. Make sure to back up any data outside Private Space before migration. This avoids accidental loss. You'll now switch into Private Space to perform the actual transfers. Now you are inside Private Space. Install or clone the apps you need, social, email, or secure banking, directly from Play Store or the cloning tool. For files, use the built-in File Manager. Select photos, documents, and move them into Private Space folders. Confirm storage permissions so apps can access them. Once migrated, configure each app's notifications and background data limits to preserve privacy and battery life. If an app requests broader access, evaluate necessity and restrict it when possible. To finish, reinforce security. Set smart lock options thoughtfully and add a recovery method you can trust, then enable automatic updates for apps and Android 15 patches. Make sure Private Space has adequate storage and verify periodic backups to your chosen encrypted cloud or offline backup. This prevents data loss. If something goes wrong, check storage quotas, app permissions, and restart Private Space. Often toggling permissions or reinstalling a cloned app resolves issues. Keep a routine check every 2 weeks to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.